Our weekly stamping collab was hosted by Judinka Nail Art. Stay tuned to the end to see everyone's individual manicures. For today's design, I applied these beautiful Shy's World nail polishes: Peaches and Cream, Pink Bubblegum, Lemon Head, Lollipop, and Cotton Candy. I want to use this butterfly image from the Acrylic Cosedora #LoveUs stamping plate, and to stamp the Acrylic Cosedora stampy polishes, as well as this orange from Born Pretty store. I pick up the same image with different stampers and different polishes. My original plan was to try a new technique that I learned from Acrylic Cosedora's live on IG, using different polishes to create lights and shadows. But once I started doing it, I had a little bit of a hard time, so the images were too small for my little brush, and I ended up just filling in with the different shades of each color. The end result was still beautiful, but it wasn't exactly what I had in mind. To make sure that the design sticks to my nail, I applied my foil glue and let it dry. Now I'm ready to stamp it on my nail. I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat to seal in the stamping. I didn't wait enough time to apply the matte top coat over it, and some of the nails got a little bit strange, but in the end I like the result. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the final manicure. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Check the description box for links to everybody's video.